Welcome to Factory Steps. Today, we're exploring how Cool Whip is made from start to finish.
Coming down, watch the net.
Got it, clear to keep going.
This batch looks excellent, B. Ready for the Cool Whip facility.
Agreed. Let's load the last basket.
Security to base, inbound delivery Charlie valid. Seals intact. Proceed to tire wash and dock 4.
This is where it all begins. These raw coconuts are the key ingredient for Cool Whip, and as you can see, they are arriving now at the unloading area.
Good to go.
Acceptable.
Reject.
This fresh coconut meat is essential for Cool Whip's signature taste. And
Starting sugar content test on corn syrup sample. Brix is 42.5, well within spec. Viscosity at 1500 centipoise, excellent. Purity test complete, all results logged, sample approved for Cool Whip.
Every ingredient for Cool Whip must pass strict quality tests. We test for purity, pH, and safety right here. Only after approval do we begin production. Homogenization is key to Cool Whip's perfect creamy texture. The line fills hundreds of Cool Whip containers every minute.
Seal scan initiated. Pressure test passed. Leak detection complete. Seal integrity confirmed.
Each Cool Whip goes through rigorous quality checks before reaching stores. We carefully handle them to ensure the quality you expect. Ready for packaging and delivery.
These Cool Whip products will soon be in stores nationwide. Stay tuned for the final steps.
Freezer zones holding steady at -20, coolers at 2 degrees Celsius.
Looks good. Let's check the historical trends.
Hold on, I'm seeing a spike in freezer zone 1.
I see it. Running a diagnostic.
All right, starting the random sample check on these Cool Whip containers.
I'll handle the texture and appearance tests.
Good, I'll prepare the taste sample.
Microscope shows uniform texture, no issues.
All clear.
Truck 4, proceed to dock 3. Copy, back into 3. Stop, aligned, open doors for loading. Pallets ready, start loading.
Cool Whip must stay cold from factory to your refrigerator.
CW 101, confirm arrival at Dallas Walmart by 14:30.
Copy that, dispatch. ETA is on schedule.
Good. CW 305, you're clear for Phoenix via I-10. Scanning incoming Cool Whip shipment. Verifying against the manifest now. Login is accurate.
Confirmed. All products logged. From here, Cool Whip travels to stores where you can purchase it.
This one's for store 147.
Okay, I'm on it.
Pallet incoming, clear the path.
All set over here.
Good, next pallet ready?
All right, first pallet, let's check the temps.
Got it. Grabbing the gun now. 2.1 degrees. Looks solid.
Good, keep the rhythm going.
These need to face forward.
Got it. Moving them now. And here's where you find Cool Whip ready for your desserts. You can see they have all the sizes you need, so you can pick the perfect one for your recipe. Grab one and enjoy.
I'll take this one. This is the one I need.
Ah, there it is. Scanning Cool Whip now. Systems updating. Sales velocity is steady, but we're low on stock. I'll radio for a reorder. Team, reorder 20 Cool Whip to aisle 5.
Hi there, did you find everything today?
Yes, thanks.
Okay, your total is $15.47.
Here's 20.
Thank you, here's your change and receipt.
Let's look deeper at the quality control that makes Cool Whip special.
Okay, examining the first Cool Whip sample for fat globule distribution. The globules are uniform in size, within the 2 to 5 micron range. Distribution is even, quality looks good, noting these results.
Starting the test on the first Cool Whip sample. The reading is stabilizing at 5.20. Moving to the next sample now. This one is reading 5.25. Initiating culture of Cool Whip samples to verify zero bacterial presence. Applying sterile technique to swab and inoculate the media. Placing samples in the incubator at 37 degrees for controlled growth. The flavor is smooth, very creamy.
Yes, and the texture is light and airy.
Overall, a high score for me.
Agreed. I'll note that.
From coconut trees to your desserts, Cool Whip is made with care at every step.
Wow, look at all that Cool Whip.
Happy birthday! Let's dig in.
Yummy, the Cool Whip makes it so creamy. This is the best treat ever.
I'm glad, sweetie.
Thanks for joining us on this Cool Whip factory tour. Subscribe to Factory Steps for more amazing factory journeys.